What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time media seller at the warehouse today. As you know, this warehouse is huge, 50,000 square feet of space. And as you can see, it's all filled up with junk. Today's video is a special edition of Nightly News. What sold DVD version, right? So these are sales from a single week, all DVDs, all lessons to be learned. And I'm kind of going to be ranting along the way here, right? Being somebody that's on social media platforms, you know, YouTube, Instagram, just going to kind of get some things off my chest here as we go along, because I see a lot of nonsense out there in the reselling world. I get so burnt out on some of this stuff. Like, I try to just contain myself to my own Discord and happy beings, but there's always resellers are something else. Anyways, let's get into the sales first. I guess we'll do like a rant. First up, Vicious Season 2. This is a PBS series, no idea. We sold it for $45.57. Profit was $33.50. Not too bad. Paid $2.99. $30 into my wallet, suckers. So what's the rant for Vicious? My rant's gonna be, reselling is hard work. A lot of people see the bells and whistles of reselling, and it's like, well, I can start reselling today and I can make X amount of dollars, and it's just as easy as going to the thrift store and you will be rich overnight. I get tired of seeing this nonsense, especially with Amazon. Oh, check out my sales. I sold $50 million. No one cares. And all it does is create a bad aura around Amazon sellers. So if you're one of these Amazon sellers that totes these stupid numbers and pushes all this stupid nonsense, courses, mentorships, blah, 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 get out of here. No one's got time for it. Anybody can sell anything on Amazon. You're not making no money, right? So get out of here with that nonsense. Moving on to the next is DVD. Personal favorite of mine, personal collection. I have this. I have the whole set. I have the book. You guys know I don't read, so if I have a book of something, it's probably pretty darn good. Alone in the Wilderness. We sold it for $34.96. Profit was $24.50. We were into that for $3. Alone in the Wilderness was like a PBS special, I believe, back in the day. Guy moves out to the middle of Alaska, builds himself a cabin, lives out there on his own, documents everything. If you're into like nature or wildlife or like survivalism or survivalist type stuff, definitely check out Alone in the Wilderness. The book's good, the DVDs are good, highly recommend it. And sometimes reselling makes me want to go live in the middle of Alaska and not deal with any of the clowns out there in the reselling world, right? I think the YouTube reselling overall, it is 98% garbage. If you gave me 100 YouTube reselling channels, 98 of the 100, it's just garbage. It's not consistent, doesn't provide no value. They just exist to feel like, oh, I'm doing something. I gotta have my YouTube channel because I go to the Goodwill. Say what you want about it. I have a very small list of YouTubers that I subscribe to and watch. And if I like took my short list of YouTubers I watch to all of the idiot reselling YouTubers that maybe I used to be subscribed to, or every time it pops up on my YouTube feed, I hit do not recommend to me because it's just garbage, trash can content. I mean, we're going off the rails here today. The DVD people are probably like, dude, just tell me the DVDs. I don't care about YouTube resellers. All right, next up, Final Justice. This was Martin Sheen, Patty Duke, old school, no idea what this is, but we sold it for $29.99. Profit was $20.26. If you see something that ends in 99 and you are aware of how we function as a group over in the Used Book Guys weekly Zoom calls and Discord, you know that 0.99? I'm leveling everybody up over there. That's all I'm saying. My business has evolved to a point where I don't do what other people do. I don't do the nonsense. I don't just go in and scan and listen in my ear, throw it in a box, make $1.50, write an email why I'm failing at selling on Amazon. I'm playing a different game, and everybody over in the Discord is playing a different game. That's just the reality of it. And most of them will watch this video and be like, don't share the secrets. I already put them out there videos ago, so I'm not going to go over it again, but if you know, you know. That's my rant for that. If you know, you know. Moving along. The deadliest plane crash. No idea what this, 2007, I can't actually see what it says. The Canary Islands collision of two Boeing 747s, or collision. Canary Islands collision of two Boeings. That's crazy. I never even heard of this, but it sounds interesting. I'm a sucker for like this documentaries and things that actually happen. Two 747s colliding? Whew. I need to look into this. I probably should have watched this before I sent this in, but oh well. $29.99. Profit is $20.26. Yet again, another 0.99. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. All right. The last one sold for, this is a lesson, a reigning lesson, $12. You made $4.97, Mike. Good job. Everybody out there, right? Especially all you fools out there that sell this junk are like, oh my God, dude. You made $4.97. What a great use of your time, buddy, pal. Congratulations on making that $5. Buy cost, software cost, time it takes to prep, clean, label, box, take to UPS. These resellers are so stupid. I swear, no matter how many times I sit here and say, value your time, nobody does it. Everybody just, I'm a reseller today, guys. I got to be at my storage unit for 35 hours today. Don't bother me. I'm going to move a whole bunch of stuff and nothing's going to get done. This junk, that's why every single person out there on YouTube, and you know these people, complaining that eBay sucks, it's because they're selling. Like, go take a crap, bring it over from the lawn, and list it on eBay. I don't want to hear nothing about it no more. And these people that always whine and complain, there's the door. I'm not subscribed to them. I don't even care. They're crybabies. They sell garbage, and they whine that nobody wants to buy their garbage. I can't imagine why. It's not eBay. If you went and listed something that was super desirable or worth more than the $3 you have it listed for, maybe you would get a watcher. Maybe you would get an offer. Oh no, the offer might be low. What are you gonna do then? Get them out of here. That's the way I look at it. I hate selling DVDs for $12. That's one example. Amazon's a race to the bottom. It happens, but that's one out of hundreds of DVDs I have listed. But it's always good to take a look at what's going on the low end, right? You can't just be like, well, I sold something for $100. Well, if you sold something for $100 and then you sold a bunch of stuff for $3, you're gonna lose money. The $100 sale no longer means anything because you wiped the profits out. So that's gonna do it for the video. It is winter time. It is freezing. I hate the cold. Some people love the cold. Not my cup of tea. Like, I went to college in Michigan State University, and those winters are something else, but I can't even handle Pennsylvania winters anymore. So I appreciate you watching. Sell DVDs. If you're on Amazon, sell DVDs. If you're on eBay, don't sell DVDs because people just give their stuff away on eBay and complain about they don't sell their stuff for $4. But if you're an Amazon seller, get on the DVD train. If you're an eBay seller, get on the Amazon train. Listen, this train's going right through the nice part of town, right? eBay's like going down, riff-raff, people throwing stuff at the train. Amazon, telling you, it'll change your life. So appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more news, book videos. Bye-bye.